Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud Expat Tax. In this video, we're going to explain to you what Form 5472 is along with Proforma 1120, and if you are a single member owner of a foreign LLC, why you should be filing this form. So what exactly is this form? This form is an informational return to show the transaction, the reportable transaction between your US LLC and the related party, which is you, or it could be any foreign corporation that is doing business in the US. So let's say you are a single member owner of a US LLC based out of Singapore, and you have your LLC in Wyoming, and you created this LLC in 2023 or before. You need to file this annual report before April 15th of the next year. So if you have created an LLC in 2023, you should be filing this report in 2024 before April 15th. You can obviously get an extension by filing Form 7004, so it gives you an extension of 6 months, but it really makes sense for you to file before April 15th. So why is this form even needed? The main reason why this form is needed is because of money laundering. The IRS wants to know the information about the foreign owner, the kind of money that's coming to the US, the kind of money that's going out of the US, which is why they want to know the reportable transactions between you as a foreign owner and your foreign LLC. So what information is disclosed here? The information that is disclosed on this form is the name of the foreign owner, the EIN of the foreign owner, the address of the foreign owner, the residency and citizenship of the foreign owner, any monetary transactions and the non-monetary transactions between the owner and the LLC. Along with this form, there's another form called 1120, which is a US corporate tax return. Form 1120 acts as a pro forma, as a cover page to the informational filing of 5472. So only the first page is filled, where on top you write foreign owned US disregarded entity, and write the name of the US LLC, the EIN, and the signature of the owner. That is all that we need to fill on 1120. And behind that, we need to fill out the form 5472. Just remember that this is an informational filing. There are no taxes to be paid on this report. We want to show the transactions between you and your US LLC. It could be any expenses you paid for the LLC, any amount the LLC paid you, any services that LLC offered you, and vice versa. Like you offered your services to the LLC, you gave a loan to the LLC. All these are the transactions between you as the owner and your US LLC. We are not reporting profit and loss accounts of the US LLC here. We are not doing balance sheets of your US LLC here. Any LLC formed in the US, you need to maintain the books of accounts. The books of accounts are very important. You need to hire an accountant and make sure that your books of accounts are always ready. We don't need it for this kind of reporting, but ideally every US LLC should have their books of accounts. So what happens if you don't file this report? If you don't file this report by April 15 of 2024, the penalty the IRS can levy is up to $25,000 per year per report, per LLC. So there are clients I know who haven't filed for a couple of years, and it's a very risky and a dangerous situation. You should be filing this report every single year, irrespective of what activities are going on in your LLC. A lot of people open LLCs and then they forget it. But you would be doing something to run the LLC. You would be filing your annual reports on the state. You would be paying your registered agent. You would be spending some money to run the LLC, right? That is a reportable transaction, and that is what you need to report on this report. So that's about it. Along with this year, there's going to be something called as a BOI report. So if you have a US LLC, you need to file this report. This report is not with the IRS, this is with the FinCEN, the Financial Crimes, as a separate unit. And you need to file this report by December 31st, 2024. If you have created an LLC before Jan 1st, 2024. So you have 1 year to file this report. Again, this is an informational filing where you need to report the details of the owner of the LLC, and if you have created an LLC in 2024, then you need to give the details of the contracting party. The contracting party basically is the company that created the LLC for you. But that if you have created an LLC after Jan 1st 2024, then you have 30 days or 30 or 90 days to file this report. But if you have created an LLC before Jan 1st 2024, you have the entire 2024 to file the report. Again, the penalties for this is very severe as well, and you make sure that you file this report as well. That's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.